Hello guys, I have two CNC Racing reservoir here. We can use this as the brake fluid reservoir or clutch. Okay, let's open it. But first, let you see the box. Okay, I have the red one and the black one. Open it. The reservoir here and black one here. Okay. So they do come with the bracket, two bracket. You see? And the same one for the black one. Okay, let's see the reservoir. Okay. And they come with the inside. Okay. And they come with three type of outflow. What is that? That's what they call outflow. The straight one, the 45 degrees and 90 degrees. And when you want to, for example, if you want to use this one, you grease this with brake fluid .4, and we push it into this hole and force a little bit. Okay, this is the red one. Put it here. The quality is very good. Can you see that? This thing comes from Rainbow. See? Okay. I wish that they can make the logo and the window to see the level of the fluid inside in this way. This will be better, right? Okay. Let's see the black one. Actually, I have installed the outflow 90 degrees to test it. Okay. And the inside is the same with the red one. And to hang it with the bracket, you have to open this one. See? This one put here, and then turn it. But I think when you want to fasten this, if you want to keep it fixed there, you need I believe that the 22 wrench to fasten it. See, it's nice. And they do come with two versions. The small one is 12 milliliter, and this one is the big one. It's 25 millimeters. Okay. This one, and for my configuration, I will exchange the lid to make it better look. Okay. It's better, right? Okay, this one. And for my bike, I'm going to use this one for the for the brake side and this one for the clutch side. Okay, see. Put it back. Okay, thank you.